Well, hello and welcome in. This is the DeWalt 20 volt Pole Hedge Trimmer. Now, this is the trimmer head only. And the reason I bought only the trimmer head is because I already have the DeWalt 20 volt pole saw, and this head is compatible with that handle. Now, but here's the thing. I don't have any hedges. I don't really even have any bushes that I try to keep trimmed into any sort of shape. So why do I want this? Well, a couple years ago, I did a video about my DeWalt 40 volt string trimmer and what a good job it does trimming heavy growth on a ditch bank behind my yard. Well, let's just say, for whatever reason, this summer I'd never got back there with the string trimmer to trim along that ditch bank, and now it's overgrown. The grassy part, sure, it could handle it, but as you see, there are also some bushes in there that have woody stems, and now they've grown all summer and they're simply too large to be cut with a string trimmer. Now, I know that I could have got a brush cutting head and put that on my trimmer, but I didn't want to leave a brush cutting head on the trimmer all the time for my regular trimming, and I didn't want to have to swap back and forth. So that's my reasoning for trying this. But as I'm sure you've noticed, it's still in the box. So let's remedy that right now. Okay. User's manual. And I think that's it. Okay, first impression. It feels pretty well made. Wow, that's impressive looking blades there. Adjustable angles. Okay, so it looks like you can go from have a 180-degree swing. Okay, that could be cool. All right, here is the pole that came with my pole saw, and they're attached the same way. This right here, slide this collar down, tighten it up, and that's all there is to it. So let's see if it works. Yes, it does. Time to go outside. Okay, DeWalt 20 volt pole hedge trimmer. First use. Here we go. Okay, first impressions, I like it, but I got more work to do, so let's keep going. Okay, this is a hackberry tree. I don't want it here, but it's had all summer to grow, and you can see that the trunk is probably about 3/4 of an inch in diameter, so, which I'm sure is more than this is designed to do, but I'm just going to see what happens. Huh, that was easy enough. Cool. So again, a different application. But I just got curious, what if you wanted to use this tool to clear an area like this with very high grass? Well, again, that worked great, and you can see that I took advantage of the angle adjustment to make it more comfortable to use when cutting like this. Okay, well, as you could probably guess, I'm very pleased with this. I probably didn't have to tell you, but this is my first time using a hedge trimmer of any sort, so I had a little bit of a learning curve. You know, some of these taller spindly branches would kind of just flex out of the way when I tried to cut them, but a couple passes and it would catch them and cut them right off. Of course, if I cut down close to the base, that worked great. And it did everything that I tried to do with it. I realized some of what I was doing out there was probably heavier work than this might be designed for, but again, it did everything that I needed it to. So I think I'm going to be very pleased with this. Oh, and for those of you who might be wondering, yes, it will work with the pole saw extension installed. This is my fourth DeWalt battery powered yard tool. I have a trimmer, pole saw, and pruner. And I've made videos for each of those items as well. So if you're interested in seeing those, they will be appearing on the screen here shortly, as well as there will be links in the description. So if you found anything helpful about this video today, you know what to do. And if this is the type of content you're interested in, you might consider subscribing to my channel. But in any case, I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you'll be back soon for another video.